If you want to download a free wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can open Settings on your phone. Then over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you can open the Themes app. If you open Galaxy Themes, then at the bottom you should be able to switch to Wallpapers, and then here you can scroll through all of these different wallpapers that you can set up. Unfortunately, many of these that you can see pretty much in featured, they are not for free, but what you can do is you can switch to the top category, for example, and then in here on the left side we can switch from all to free, so you only see free wallpapers that you can set up on your phone. So once you find the wallpaper that you wish to set on your phone, let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, then you should be able to download the wallpaper, and once it is downloaded you can easily apply it on your phone. You can also choose if you want to set it on the lock screen or home screen, or both of course. In case you want to, you can uncheck any of these screens. Go next. We can still make some further adjustments. You can, for example, zoom in and zoom out. For example, you can change the position a little bit. But once you are done, just tap on a done in the upper right corner, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.